Hi, here is Ramanpreet Kaur. Today I'm going to present my topic on training plan on link between management and organization goals. First of all, I will discuss about the introduction. The lack of employee and commitment is one of the major issues when it comes to performance management in the organizations. The advancement in the technology, communication and transportation, the competition among the organization has risen that has brought drastic changes in the organization. So this training plan outlines the approaches for the training for the issue of the employee engagement in the organizations. So then I will discuss about the overview of the issue. The performance management helps in the better understanding and accomplishment of the objectives and organization through learning and change. Performance management system tends to involve formal and informal mechanism for the accomplishment of an effective strategy that include work environment, leadership, team and co-worker, training and career development, compensation, organizational policies, workplace and well-being. Then I will discuss about the skills and attitudes of the employees, that the skills and capability of the employees cannot be fully utilized without any of the employee engagement. Moreover, the lack of direction and compromises the organization priorities as the employee starts working in the direction of their personal views. So I have mentioned some learning theories in this training plan, including social learning theory. The new types of learning methods are emerging that includes outline learning, mentorship programs, and social learning. The learning has two major types known as implicit learning and explicit learning. First of all, the implicit learning occurs when the learning takes place without the conscious effort on the part of the learner. However, the explicit learning occurs through conscious effort on the part of the learner, which includes the process, attention, retention, reproduction, and motivation. Which means attention means focus on model attitude and behavior. Retention means ability to encode information in memory. Reproduction means ability to reproduce the attitude or behavior. Motivation means drive to reproduce modeled attitude or behavior. Then, what is the main aim of this training plan? Main aim of this training plan at developing a rewarding culture at the organization so that employees stay they are engaged and should make the contribution to learning culture taking place in the organization. Then I will discuss about some objectives that includes align the employees with the goals and values of the organization, influence employee productivity, enhancing the employee sense of well-being and engaging workplace environment, understanding the attitude of the employee motivation and commitment. Further, I have discussed about some overview of the training design. First of all, outline the approaches considered and justification for selected approach. That includes social learning workshops, placing the position managers as role models, set a managerial behavior standard, ongoing employee training. Next, I want to discuss about an overview of instruction system design approach, which includes ADDIE model. ADDIE model has a 5 phases, include analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Analysis phase has audience implies, delivery options, timeline for project competition, that is for 30 days. Next, design phase. Design phase includes the documentation of training method, designing the user experience, and visual design. Next, development phase. Creating and assembling the content created in the design phase. Implementing phase. creating a procedure for the learners and facilitators, ensuring the functionality of learning application or program. Last one is evaluation phase, which includes observation, interview, self-evaluation, and questionnaires. At the end, I have discussed about conclusion of this training plan. The training program outline addresses the issues related to the employee engagement that impacts the performance management. The training program follows ADDIE instructional design. This training program would be evaluated using the Kirkpatrick's hierarchical model for training evaluation. Thank you.